Hello everyone. Today we will read a story from the book, Chapter 5, and the topic of the story is Monkey's Day Out. This story tells us how Sunday morning is full of fun for the monkeys and full of anxiety for the firemen. So let's get started. It was a peaceful Sunday morning, and while some firemen were playing and relaxing with games like carom and monopoly, a few were down on the court practicing their shooting skills in basketball. One Sunday morning, some firemen means आग बुझाने वाले सदस्य. One Sunday morning, some firemen were playing indoor games like carom and monopoly. Monopoly is a kind of indoor game. In the game, players roll two six-sided dice to move around the game board, buying and trading properties. You can see the picture of Monopoly game. So firemen were playing indoor games like carom and monopoly, and few of them were practicing their shooting skills in basketball court. It's your turn to strike, said one player impatiently. Impatiently means without patience. Adhir hona. It's your turn to strike, said one player impatiently. Why are you staring at the wall? Here staring means घूरना, बिना पलक झपकाए एकटक देखना. So, when they were playing carom, one player impatiently said to another that it's your turn to strike. Why are you not striking? And why are you staring at the wall? The other man shook his head as if to clear his brain. 5 monkeys just slid down the pole, he said. One was holding a basketball. Soon, angry yelling could be heard from below. Who stole our ball? Why did you aim in the bushes? Where has the ball gone? When the player was asking to other player that why is he staring at the wall, then that man shook his head and said that 5 monkeys just slid down the pole and one monkey was holding a basketball. Then suddenly they heard some noise that was coming from basketball court. That where has the ball gone? Because one monkey was holding a basketball. Just then, all the showers in the changing room were turned full on. The changing room door flew open and 5 more monkeys ran, chattering across to the shiny brass pole and slid down to the floor below. Chattering means noise made by monkeys. बंदर लोग जो आवाज़ निकालते हैं that is called chatter. A fireman dashed into the changing room and stood staring straight in front of him. 10 monkeys were taking showers. All the showers in the changing room were turned on and the door flew open. 5 monkeys were already in the changing room. But suddenly 5 more monkeys ran, making a noise across to the shiny brass pole and slid down to the floor below. Then a fireman entered into the changing room and saw that 10 monkeys were taking showers. Here dashed means तेजी से पहुंचना. For 35 minutes, every man in the building chased monkeys. Chased means followed. पीछा करना या अनुसरण करना. For 35 minutes, every man in the building chased monkeys over and under the fire engine, up the stairs and down the brass pole. Then the alarm sounded. sounded means rang. Then the alarm sounded, the men ran to their places on the engine, so did 10 of the monkeys. Means every man in that building was following monkeys over and under the fire engine, up the stairs and down the pole for 35 minutes. Then suddenly the alarm rang. After ringing alarm, the men ran to their places on the engine, and that was done by the monkeys. The firemen did not have far to go. It was a call from down the street. Street means road. It was a call from down the street where a ladder was needed. Ladder means seedhi. Where a ladder was needed to get some monkeys off a building. But when the engine arrived, a policeman took one look and shook his head in consternation. Consternation means anxiety, परेशान या तनाव. Consternation. That is not possible. They are bringing more. Means the firemen needed a ladder to get some monkeys off a building. And when the engine arrived and a policeman took one look, shook his head in anxiety and said that that is not possible. They are bringing more. You can imagine the plight of the firemen. Plight means condition. You can imagine the condition of the firemen as they tried to chase away the horde of monkeys, while the monkeys had a great time, sometimes clinging to the fire engine bell, opening the hose pipe, and making funny faces at the firemen. All this while, men, women, and children stood on the far side of the street, enjoying every minute of the crazy scene. After they had enough of excitement, the monkeys simply vanished. Vanished means disappeared, अदृश्य हो गए. The monkeys simply vanished the way they had come. It turned out to be a Sunday morning full of woe. Full of woe. Woe, W-O-E, means sadness. It turned out to be a Sunday morning full of woe for the firemen and full of fun for the monkeys. So students, you can imagine the condition of the firemen because they tried to catch or follow monkeys, but monkeys had a great time. Sometimes they were clinging to the fire engine bell, sometimes they were opening the hose pipe and teasing or making funny faces at the firemen. And at that time, all men, women, and children were enjoying that crazy scene. And then monkeys disappeared the way they had come. That Sunday morning was full of fun for the monkeys and full of anxiety for the firemen. Now I will explain this story in Hindi also. एक दिन रविवार की सुबह कुछ फायरमैन गेम खेल रहे थे. तभी अचानक से वहाँ कुछ बंदर आ गए. वे सभी चेंजिंग रूम का शावर ऑन कर दिए. चेंजिंग रूम में एक फायरमैन अचानक से घुसता है और देखता है कि 10 बंदर शावर मीन्स फुहारे से स्नान कर रहे थे. वहाँ सभी लोग उन बंदरों को पकड़ने की बहुत कोशिश करते हैं लेकिन पकड़ नहीं पाते थे. वे बंदर फायरमैन को बहुत परेशान कर रहे थे. उन्हें देखकर फनी फेसेस बनाते थे, उन्हें मुँह चिढ़ाते थे. वहाँ पास में खड़े सभी लोगों को यह दृश्य देखकर बहुत ही आनंद आ रहा था. कुछ समय बाद सभी बंदर वहाँ से चले जाते हैं और वो रविवार की सुबह फायरमैन के लिए तनाव भरा दिन था और उन बंदरों के लिए मज़े वाला दिन था. Word meanings and their use in sentences. So the first word is vanish, means disappear, means अदृश्य होना. Vanish means disappear, अदृश्य होना. Nowadays, forests are vanishing due to deforestation. Next, impatiently means without patience, adhir hona. We sat waiting impatiently for the movie to start. We sat waiting impatiently for the movie to start. Next, chattering means noise made by monkeys. 5 monkeys ran chattering across the pole. Patience means ability to remain calm. Patience means ability to remain calm. धैर्य रखना. She has little patience. Next, woe. WOE, woe means misery or sadness. Her face was lined and full of woe. Consternation. Consternation means anxiety, tanav. The announcement of her retirement caused consternation. The announcement of her retirement caused consternation. Make sentences with peaceful, full of fun, fireman, and morning. Peaceful, full of fun, fireman, and morning. Next, name 5 more indoor games other than carom and monopoly. Name 5 more indoor games other than carom and monopoly.